Tiana, and today I'm making slime. And if you guys did not know already, I have a slime shop. It's a website, and these are some of my slimes I already made. Some of them I'm making more. And this is gonna be one of the slimes that I'm selling. It's gonna be in this jar. It's huge. Okay, so let's get on to it.
'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
It's hot.
And when you smile,
Okay, it's not that hot because it's been out here for a long time. You felt it? Okay, I told you.
Just the way you are.
Love you, Dad.
Okay, so in this slime, it's different. It's different from all the other slimes I've ever made. And this one's gonna be 3 layers. So the first layer I'm going to make blue. The second layer I'm gonna make yellow. And then the third layer I'm gonna make green. Let's start. Okay, so first I'm adding the, oh no. Good thing it didn't fall over. But first I'm adding glue. I think that's gonna be, wait, a little bit more. Okay, so I think that's gonna be enough. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so my website name is going to be www.realtiana.nicole. It's out right now. It's on Google. So search up www.realtiana.nicole.com and you will see my slime videos, and then you'll also be able to order slime from my website, and it's going to be very cool. It is very cool. I love my website, and my dad and I worked on it hard. And we're still making more slimes for it, and it's going to be so nice. I love it already. But this is the blue that I got. I like this blue. It's really nice. Okay, and now I'm going to add my activator. But the one that I'm making right now is going to have borax for now. Okay, this one I added a bunch of like powder in the water, so it's very strong. But I'll just use one hand to stir and the other hand to see if it's ready. So open it, please. Thank you. Now pour it and mix. Okay, I need to mix it with my hands. Wait, what else do I mix it with? Okay, it's getting way better. Wow, I like this one. It's making it easy for me. Okay, mix. Okay, mix. Mixing takes a while. Okay, a little bit more. Wait, I have borax. Okay, I'll just use that. Okay, so that one's done. Well, this like part is done. So I'm just gonna wait. I'll add more borax. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish with this one. Hopefully that was enough. I think that was actually, yeah. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so mix. Okay, guys, so how was your Thanksgiving? Comment down below. Comment down below, how was your Thanksgiving? Mine was perfect. I love mine. I like it. I had a cookie. I had a Veggie Girl cookie. Their cookies was really nice. They're super good. You guys should try it. Do you not want to go to the gym? Just play with slime. Quick advertisement. Okay. This is too sticky. Dad, do you want to feel it?
No.
Okay, so let me get more flax then. Can you open it, please? Thank you. Okay, I'm done. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on the bottom layer of this.
Your cool container.
There's water in here.
Okay.
Okay, it's fine. That's gonna be a cool thing that will come with it. Yeah. Okay, but this has to go to the bottom. Okay. It's a lot smaller than I thought. Because it has another container inside of it. So let's okay, but I need to I need to scrape this down a little bit more. Okay, that slime's done. Time to get onto the yellow one. Let's go. Slime 2, yellow slime. Let's start. Got my blue. Now let's pour that in. I think that's good. Okay, I think that's the same amount as I put in that one. Okay,
Could be.
it is.
Yep.
Okay, now time to put yellow paint. Yeah. Pour. Because this yellow paint is white, so I'm just gonna pour that. Oh, or not. The darker the better.
Yep.
Pikachu. Okay, there's the yellow, and now time is this it or the
For
other?
your activator.
Yes, this one. Okay, now pour. Okay, I'm done with the yellow slime. Take a look. It took a while of stretching it and stuff. It looks like a scrambled egg. I don't know why. And now it's time to put this in here. Okay.
Nice.
That was easy.
So the next one, you got to make sure it's enough to fill all the way
Yeah.
to the top. So you might have to pour a little more
Yeah, then these.
than those two.
Yeah. Set that to the side. That's cool. Okay, time to get onto the green side. I need to wash my hands. The last slime. Let's get to it. Okay. Okay, first I need to add a little bit more. What are you doing back here? Okay, so first we are going to need to add a little bit more glue than the other slimes. Okay, yeah. Time to add the paints. Yellow. Okay guys, so I'm gonna see if this fills up the rest of this bottle. Hopefully it does. My arms are tired. Okay, let's see. Okay, just put it. Oh, that's good enough.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. Wow, I made a perfect amount. Okay, I like this slime. I love this one. It's really nice. Wow. Comment down below if you guys like it. I like it. I love it.
And where should they go to buy this container?
www.realtiananicole.com. Go check it out. Because this slime is really nice. I like it.
And
Okay.
they should also subscribe to
Tiana and Daddy and Tiana Nicole, my channel, and me and my dad's channel is Tiana and Daddy. And check out my TikTok account,
and follow you on
Instagram, and yeah, make sure to go and to top this off, put the cap on it. See you guys later. Wait 1 second. I need to actually put the cap on. See you guys later. Peace.
Stop hitting me.
You stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you. You hit me.
Stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
Stop hitting you. Stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you.